I'm Dr. Meenakshi Maur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Savliaji Government College, Manfia, Chittorgarh. Today, my topic is general stages of embryonic development. I'm just going to explain initial stages of the embryonic development. That is morula, blastula, gastrula, and neurula. In today's lecture, I'm just explain these four terms in brief. But in next lectures, I will discuss all these stages in detail. So here you can see this is a fertilized egg. It converts into 2 cell stage due to the cleavage, then 4 cell stage, then 8 cell stage, then it comes morula. Morula gets converted into the blastula, and the blastula then converts into the gastrula. So these are the stages of the embryonic development. So first is morula stage. So what is morula? Morula is formed due to the cleavage. So after fertilization, 2-3 hours after fertilization in some animals, the zygote begins to divide. And this repeated divisions in the successive fashion is known as cleavage or segmentation. I have already discussed cleavage, types of cleavage already. So the cells that results from the cleavage are called blastomers. And during morula stage, it seems to be like mulberry. Mulberry means morus. So it is similar to mulberry. That's why this stage is named as morula. Because of the repeated and irregular cleavage, balls of cells is formed, and this is known as morula stage. Then next is a blastula. Blastula, after passing the morula stage, in which embryo is compact mass of cells, the next stage is blastula. Blastula bearing stage, blastocele bearing stage is known as blastula. In the blastula stage, the compactness is lost and an internal cavity is filled with fluid, and this is known as blastocele. So, in this stage, early presumptive areas can be differentiated by staining technique. Now, blastula changes into the gastrula. Gastrula is a two-layered embryo stage which is formed by the migration and rearrangement of the cells of blastula. And the process of formation of gastrula is called gastrulation. Gastrulation involves some critical changes in the blastula, like differentiation of cells, transformation from monoblastic to diploblastic layer, and the formation of three primary germ layers. Primary germ layers means endoderm, ectoderm, and mesoderm. So this is a gastrula. Gastrula comprises of can be due to epiboly, invagination, and so on. Then next stage comes neurulation. It is the process of formation of neural tube or nerve cord. At the end of the gastrulation, the prospective neural plate comes to lie along the length of mid-dorsal region. And neural plate later forms central nervous system, including brain and spinal cord. So neurulation means the process of formation of neural tube or nerve cord. Neurulation. After neurulation, there is an autogenesis, organogenesis. So today I'm just going to explain this stages in very brief, but in next lecture I will discuss blastula, gastrula in detail. Now here you can see the example of embryonic development of frog. So first is a there is a gametogenesis, and due to gametogenesis, sperm and eggs are formed, and after their fertilization, fertilized egg you can see over here. After cleavage, first cleavage is meridional, second plane is this meridional, third is equatorial. So here you can see first meridional, second again meridional, and the third is equatorial. So after this stage, you can see 16 to 64 cell stages counts, which is known as morula. So morula is a 16 to 64 cell stage in the embryonic development of frog. Then after this blastula is 128 to 15,000 cell stage. And blastula you can see over here, there is a development of blastocele, and it bears blastocele, that's why it is known as blastula. Here blastopore. So after blastulation there is a gastrulation. This is a gastrula. Here you can see all the three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Then organogenesis occur. This is the neural stage. Then hatching occurs. This is the tadpole larva. After metamorphosis, you can see adult. So this is the embryonic development of frog, where you can see all the steps, that is morula, blastula, gastrula and neurula. So today I discussed these four stages of embryonic development in brief. But now in next lectures, I will discuss all these terms in detail, and I will take examples of human being and Amphioxus, sea urchin, and I will discuss all the types of blastula and blastocyst. Thank you.